on hanging out with her all day. The most popular cuisines for Valentine's Day, the top three. Number 3, seafood. Number 2, French. And number 1, Italian. I'll probably order Chinese food. I'm not going to lie. Pepper and Melda May, Dave Moisen, all up next on Ocean 98.
Bulldog and the Rude Awakening Show.
Hey everybody, this is Coach. Let you know what's coming up on the Rude Awakening Show. We have Lee from Malibu's with the Surf Report. Susan Childs talking about the Delmarva Wool and Fiber Expo. Stephanie Torles is the author of Making Love Potions. Carol Kershaw is the co-author of The Worry-Free Mind. And Jen Weiderstrom is from The Biggest Loser, talking about her new book, Diet Right for Your Personality Type. All this and a whole lot more coming at you from 6 till 10. Don't even think about touching your dial. You're listening to Ocean 98, and it is the best of rock.
Hi, Billy Carter here from BJ's on the Water. We never close. Entire lunch and dinner menu served 11 a.m. to 1:30 a.m., 7 days a week, year-round. Half-price entrees with 2 sides, Sunday through Thursday. $1 drafts and $5.99 half-pound shrimp. Shh. Don't tell Maddie. 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday and 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Sunday to Thursday. As always, we have the best local bands, never a cover. All games on high definition. Legendary duck feeding, 1 p.m. daily. Dine at a chain restaurant or an Ocean City landmark. You make the call. BJ's on the Water, 75th and Bay.
Happy Hour with Schwab. Every weekday at 3. Brought to you in part by Baker's Island, 60th Street in the Bay. The best of rock. Ocean 98.
Attention, please. If you can hear this message, you must hurry into Island Water Sports in Fenwick Island. Because the giant 2016 boat sale is coming to a close. If you're in the market for a new or used boat, you have to talk to Island Water Sports. Top-of-the-line Berkshire pontoon boats, the sporty Scarab jet boats, including the all-new center console jet boat, and a large selection of used boats are all still available. Stop into Island Water Sports in Fenwick Island. 888-2-GET-WET. That's 888-2-GET-WET. OCMDBoats.com.
Yellowfin's Bar and Grill, 1 mile west of the Harris Teeter. Tonight has half-price select apps and $1 drafts. And tomorrow, it's burger night. Half-pound Black Angus burgers, just $5.50, and $6 cheeseburgers at Yellowfin's Bar and Grill, 1 mile west of Harris Teeter.
The Entertainment Connection, brought to you by Delmarva's premier pre-owned outlet, The Car Store.
For Monday, February 6th, the Atlantic Hotel has Earl Beardsley. The Burley Brewing Company features Chino Rankin from the Zion Reggae Band. The Original Green Turtle has Bingo Night, and Hooked Up Ale House and Raw Bar features Pub Party Trivia, and that's your Entertainment Connection on Ocean 98.
The Entertainment Connection is brought to you by The Car Store, thecarstoreonline.com.
Maybe you like to get high. Well, maybe you just want to get by. Maybe you stay up all night, 'cause you don't want to be here no more. If your love was an ocean, I'd dive right in. If your love was the beach, I'd lay in the sand. If you were the sun, I'd be so tan. And if you stayed the night, I'd be your man. Wait, I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait for this moment to come. She said, wait, I don't wanna wait. We're not playing games only meant for the young. But sometimes you drink too much, and sometimes you need a little luck. Well, sometimes it's just not enough, 'cause you don't wanna be his no more. If your love was a party, I'd dance all night. If your love was a shot, I wouldn't need lime. If you were the moon, I'd watch you shine. And if you weren't his, baby, you'd be mine. Wait, I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait for this moment to come. She said, wait, I don't wanna wait. We're not playing games only meant for the young. I don't wanna wait no more. I don't wanna wait no more. For this moment to come. She said, wait, I don't wanna wait. We're not playing games only meant for the young. 'Cause I don't wanna
My thoughts are dark and empty. I'm not crying out loud. Don't know what am I asking for if an answer can't be found. The loneliness is killing. Oh, there's someone in my bed. There's only so much living out. I fear I could be dead. But then standing out my window when the night seems like it's one, and everything seems brighter with the sign of the sun. And I said, oh my God, it's good to be alive. Oh my God, it's good to be alive. No one thing for sure is that I'll die today. Yeah, it's good to be alive. Lying in my bedroom, my eyes are wide awake. My body's tired and giving up. Oh, for heaven's sake, won't you please send me a little sleep to ease my worried mind? I'm losing rationality that I won't know how to find. But then standing out my window when the night seems like it's one, and everything seems brighter with the sign of the sun. And I said, oh my God, it's good to be alive. Oh my God, it's good to be alive. I know one thing for sure is that I'll die today. Yeah, it's good to be alive, yeah. Things are looking up for me when the clock keeps ticking on. Holding on to time gone by, clinging to a song to pull me through with every word, rock me with a tune, and hold my hand when the shadow man is hiding in my room. But then standing out my window when the night seems like it's one, and everything seems brighter with the sign of the sun. And I said, oh my God, it's good to be alive. Oh my God, it's good to be alive. I know one thing for sure is that I'll die today. Yeah, it's good to be alive. Oh my God, it's good to be alive. Oh my God, it's good to be alive. I know one thing for sure is that I'll die today. Yeah, it's good to be alive. Do do do, it's good to be alive. Do do do, it's good to be alive. Yeah, 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 yeah.
The Show with J.J. Roth. Brought to you by Nick's House of Ribs, 144th Street in Ocean City. Nick'sHouseofRibs.com. The best of rock. Ocean 98.
What happened to you that made you act so cold? You say what you want whenever you want, then you call it real, you call it bold. Have you ever been wrong, forgot the lyrics to a song? It gets old when you got the answers, though you never been told. But seriously, what made you the way you are? Did life hit you one too many times too hard? And punch drunk, you came lunging back out a target to attack. Whoa, you gotta know it's a happy way when you're the shelter in the storms everywhere you go, looking for a chance to grow. It's getting too hard to hold, 'cause it's a heavy weight, you know. It's a heavy weight, you know. It's getting too hard to hold, 'cause it's a heavy Everyone who wanders in your way, they're gonna pay for things they never did or said for debts they never made. Didn't you know you've never had a measure to your level, cutting people down? Still you tried to lay them in the ground. But you should know you're gonna prove with all the things you do. What goes around really comes around again, yeah. What goes around really comes around again, yeah. It's a happy way. When you're sheltering the stars everywhere you go, looking for a chance to throw. It's getting too hard to hold, 'cause it's a heavy weight, you know. It's a heavy weight, you know. It's getting too hard to hold, 'cause it's a heavy weight, you know. It's a heavy weight, you know. It's getting too hard to hold. It's a heavy weight, you know. It's a heavy weight, you know. It's a heavy weight. It's a heavy weight. When you'll be sheltering the stars everywhere you go, looking for a chance to throw. It's getting too hard to hold, 'cause it's a heavy weight, you know. It's a heavy weight. It's too hard to hold. It's too hard to hold, 'cause it's a heavy weight, you know. Looking for a chance to hold. It's getting hard to hold, 'cause it's a heavy weight, you know. It's getting too hard. It's getting too hard. It's getting so hard, you know, 'cause it's a heavy weight. It's a heavy weight. It's a heavy weight. It's a heavy weight. You know it's a heavy weight, you know. It's getting too hard to hold. It's a heavy weight.
The latest on Dave Moyes Heavyweight here on Ocean 98, the best of rock. And yesterday, of course, was the big game. I know there are a bunch of people up at Nick's House of Ribs, 144th Street, North Ocean City. But maybe you stayed home for the game yesterday, because I know a lot of people also stayed home because there really wasn't too many fans of the Patriots or the Falcons in this area. So a lot of people stayed in. But you know what? You don't want to stay in 2 nights in a row, do you? No, you got the leftovers. Just don't worry about them. Have someone else take care of you today at Nick's House of Ribs, 144th Street, North Ocean City. They open up at 3 o'clock and 3 p.m. every weekday. They have 2-for-1 happy hours. Maybe you're a host that didn't really get to drink that much, so you want a few drinks. You can do that. 2-for-1 drinks from 3 to 5 at Nick's, and those fall-off-the-bone style ribs. Go treat yourself at Nick's. You deserve it. 144th Street, North Ocean City. Alban Lee, the Imagine Dragons, coming up on Ocean 98.
Happy Hour, every weekday at 3. Happy Hour is presented by the Sky Bar, the best of rock, Ocean 98.
Gary, why aren't you outside enjoying the party?
Hey, Michelle, it's this heartburn. When it hits, it really hits hard.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's it. I've had it. I'm gonna kick acid with Rolaids.
Rolaids Advanced goes to work instantly for powerful relief of your worst heartburn, bloating, and gas.
Wow, you're packed fast.
Yeah, I feel much better. Now this is a party.
Kick acid and gas with Rolaids Advanced.
Bethany Blues, Bethany Beach, Delaware, your official barbecue, bourbon, and craft brew headquarters on the shore. Just steps from the beach at 6 Pennsylvania Ave. Visit them on the web at bethanyblues.com. Bethany Blues, Bethany Beach, Delaware, where life's all about the sauce.
This is one of those funky times.
Every Tuesday on the Rude Awakening Show from 6 till 10. Tune in for Funky Tuesday. Brought to you by De Novo's. Casual dining with an Italian flair. The best of rock and the best of funk. Ocean 98.
We say goodbye by the train. She said, don't you ever think of home to your mama, please don't drink. I said, don't worry, baby, just let me think. You're straight A's and I'm an A. Black and white, they go together nicely, babe. So what's the sudden change? Well, I love you just the same. You are my fire, fire. Please let me love again. Let there be water, water, before I go up in flames. Well, you say you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. If you love me so, let me go. Let me go. If loving is an art, let us start and break these broken hearts. From the light into the dark, now it's tearing us apart. 'Cause you are my